So if you've got a Sony Minidisc player and you get a problem where you insert the disc and the laser arm isn't moving, what can happen is it just gets a little bit old. The grease on the bar mechanism here. So what happens is the laser should move along in this direction. So what I'm doing is I'm winding the cogs all the way so that the arm is going all the way to the right. It's not going any more now. And then I'm going to use a tiny bit of lubricant, putting it on a Q-tip. Tiny little bit. And I'm just going to put some on this arm. And also on the cogs. Now it's actually moving that arm, whereas it wasn't before. So I'm pretty certain, yeah, it's read the disc now. And if I was to press play, away it goes. Yeah.